Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about the chapters units and measurement. And in units and measurement, we learn about hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about the chapter units and measurement, and we learn about how to measure a line with ordinary scale. For measuring in ordinary scale, we will show you how we can measure with ordinary scale. Suppose I have given, you can see that this is the picture of an ordinary scale. How we can measure something with this scale that I am going to show you, right? Now you see how we are going to show this one. How to measure a line with the ordinary scale that I am going to show you. After that, we will learn about how to measure with vernier calipers. After that, we will learn about how to measure with screw gauge, and after that, how to measure with you see that this is a scale, right? And you see how many divisions are there, you can find out, and how to measure with ordinary scale that I am going to discuss with you. You see here how we are doing this one. We are doing with this one in this way, that right here you see that this is an ordinary scale and it is in centimeter. Here you see that is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5. It is up to 30 centimeter. This is an ordinary scale. We are talking about ordinary scale and how to measure, and that I'm going to show you in ordinary scale how we can measure a line, right? How we can measure. Suppose we are taking a line from this number, that is from 1, and it is like this. Suppose this is a straight line and we have taken up to here, right? That is up to 4 lines. How we can measure this line? Suppose this line is A and B, and we are measuring from 1, and that is it is 5, and it is 5.4, right? How to measure? To measure a line, we know that to measure a line from A to B, length of AB, we are writing here length of AB. How to measure the length, that I am going to show you. Length of line AB, of line AB. How to measure? We know that it is final measurement, final reading minus initial reading. Final reading minus initial reading, minus initial reading. Now, first of all, we will find what is the final reading. Final reading, you see, in the main scale it is 5 centimeter. You see, this is 5 centimeter. And how many lines it is covering? 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, you have to first find the least count. What is the meaning of least count? You see, least count is the smallest division of a scale, right? That is the least count. Least count we are finding. Least count. How to find the least count? Suppose you see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 divisions, right? That means a 10 division, here you find the 10 division is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, you can find that one division, this is the least count, one division is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Or you can write it as 0.1 centimeter. The least count will got it as 0.1 centimeter. How to find the length? To find the length, suppose this is the final reading one. This want to read this point B. This is 5, right? That is, we read here as 5 centimeter plus how many division is there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 division. That is 4 into least count. 4 into least count, that is 0.1 centimeter. That is, we are getting that 5 centimeter plus 0.4 centimeter, and ultimately we are getting 5.4 centimeter. Therefore, the reading of B is for 5.4 centimeter, right? Therefore, we are getting final reading is 5.4 centimeter, 5.4 centimeter. And what is the initial reading? Initial reading is that is 1 centimeter, 1.0 or 1 centimeter. If we subtract it, that is 5.4, 5.4 minus 1, and we are getting this the value as 4.4 centimeter. 4.4, that is 4.4 centimeter. That is our answer. In this way, we can measure the length of a line with ordinary scale. Here we found how to find how to find the length of a line, length of a line with ordinary scale, with ordinary scale. You see, in this way you can find the length. Suppose I am taking the line from here. Let us do it in this way. Suppose I am taking this line in this way. I'm starting from 0. Then what will be the value? If I starting from the 0, suppose I am starting from this value, this line, starting from 0, and we are getting this line. Suppose starting from 0, we are taking, suppose it is after 6, it is 4 division, right? Suppose I want to measure the length AB. The same way you can find, that is, length of the line will be final reading minus initial line, right? Length of the line, length of line AB, that is final reading minus initial reading. Final reading minus initial reading, Now, first of all, I find the final reading. Final reading, you see, this is 6 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter plus how many division is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 division. 4 into what is the least count? 0.1, 0.1 centimeter. Therefore, we are getting that is final reading is 6.4 centimeter. And what is the initial reading? 0. Initial reading is 0 centimeter. Therefore, we got the value, that is 6.4 centimeter. 6.4 centimeter. This is the actual value of this line, right? That means how to find the length of any line, that is final reading minus initial reading. That is the formula for measuring the length, right? And here you find that is final reading is 6.4 centimeter and the final initial reading is 0. Therefore, 6.4 minus 0, that is 6.4 centimeter. In this way, we can find the length of a line with ordinary scale. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Okay. Thank you everybody for watching this video.